financial inclusion. We started with about 38 applicants in this competition. Then we had a hackathon over a weekend, then scaled to 20 teams. 20 teams stayed in for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks we chose the 10 teams. So there, the 10 teams will tell us or share with us their progress so far.
It's going to be the semi-finals for Rwanda as well, maybe I would say the finals for Rwanda. And in our Transform Africa, we're going to have all these other countries gathering together.
Our key area of focus is the usage of data by financial service providers in the advancement of financial inclusion. So as part of making that goal a success, we have embarked on a journey where we are launching out a data innovation competition across 8 of our focus countries. So within our 8 focus countries, of course we've got Rwanda. So on the eastern side we then have Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania. And on the western side we've got Senegal and Ghana. And on the southern side of the region we've got Zambia and Mozambique. So this competition is taking place across all these 8 countries. And the main objective is to say, how can we get innovations from our own local countries that will advance financial inclusion?
We have APSD, we have Go Limited, we have Evolve, we have HelloJob, we have U+, we have Exus, we have Skyland Digital, we have UApp, MVent, and finally.
The competition is looking at how they can develop solutions from the digital space in terms of providing that linkage that can make financial inclusion more efficient for many of the people in Rwanda and in Africa. And for some of them who have very, very innovative solutions, you find it's going to go beyond just Rwanda within Africa. And when you look at some of the solutions helping in terms of savings, because when you look at Africa, the savings culture is one of the challenges. But having these solutions that would ensure this accountability, there is all the groupings are able to save, but even this data can help financial institutions in terms of looking at the credit risk of the groups.
ESD developed a product. We call it the bridge to the financial services. They say that 98% of establishments in Rwanda, they are micro or small businesses. And these people, they don't have a better way to manage their data, and that they somehow financially excluded.
Customer enters the shop and they want to buy, let's say it's a hardware, out there.
Yeah.
They want to buy one small electronic thing. So the way it works is the owner of the shop takes
Rwanda is really a fintech and technology hub, and we want to create companies that will be worth billions of dollars.
I was there when the 10 teams were presenting just before today, and during that session there were a number of issues in terms of the business model. How are you going to make money? And most of them, some of the participants, the mentors, ask them the questions, and when I look today, I think there's a lot of improvement in terms of just being able to articulate what their solutions are going to do. And I'm so happy and very encouraged to see this kind of innovations happening in Rwanda.
So the technology we have is simple. We know the farmer is using the feature phone, and there is retail literacy, the access to internet, the electricity, the storage. So that's why we have the platform, which is basically web-based.
There's also lack of direct communication between insurers and those purchasing insurance products, because simply it's either you go via a broker or you go via an agent, which does not give the full details to the insurer.
For us, we manage handyman identities. Handyman will get reviews. Handyman will keep their employment records. Handyman will get rent employers, and also handyman can register through USSD code. we have other values that HelloJob can offer. For example, electronic instant resume, financial data made available to financial institutions, top rating and user experience, electronic salaries, that is our...
Rwanda, we have over, as I said earlier, we have over 600,000 people that have about $16 million in savings as of December 2014. And then worldwide, we have around 39 billion in circulation.
What is so creative and innovative about this? Because there are so many other PR tools out there. So,
yeah,
what is the new value proposition that you're putting on the market?
So for now, we're much more targeting, even though we have those other, clients, but mostly we're working with the savings.
You work with SACCOs and how? Because the SACCOs are also amongst the largest savings collector in this economy. And my other question is, I see statistics, the NISR as a national client for you, because they collect data all the time. I mean, this is their mandate. For example, they collect prices in markets across the country to come up with inflation data every month. So how are you working with them?
Yeah, we've been in touch with them, not only the National Institute of Statistics, but also RGB. They do surveys too on a regular basis.
Of course,
so they're all
in this competition, what is addressed is, and again, cash operations are very costly. So what these people are helping us to do is to make sure people are served from their homes, and we don't need to hire, cash in transit. Really very convenient because it's scaling down the costs of operations, and it's also very convenient for the customer.
One solution that is going to where they're able to collect the data of the savings group, the cooperatives, and their saving culture. And then this data can be used by banks, financial institutions, the NGOs to look at the behavior of this group. So I'm feeling that that data can help the financial institutions or the NGOs who are helping or funding some of these activities. So I found that very intriguing. The other solution that deals with giving the information on agriculture, where the platform both to help farmers to get best practice, as well as the financial institutions being able to see the behavior of these farmers, so that with this information they are able to make a better decision. So
this is a very good question. But we'll be having security. Our platform has security, so we won't allow these people to share, should I say, personal contacts. I mean, we'll be managing it. We won't allow them to go without giving us the commission. We'll manage it.
And as a banker, why do I take your model? Because I would trust better my credit analyst, my agribusiness guy, than the model that I don't have control over. I don't know exactly what's there. Why would I trust your model and not just look at my team of experts who know the business, etc., and who also know the character?
The sessions today have been amazing. I'm amazed with the creativity of all these young people. They all try to address challenges we face every day, problems we face every day. And they're trying really, the solution they propose is very convenient, it's cashless. I'm coming from a bank background, so I want, and as a bank we are ready to support them and make sure that these solutions developed here can become marketable in the future. About small companies, great ideas, and a great ecosystem to support them, to really build a successful, to commit to support them, and to be with them along the way until all these solutions are used by them.
Encouraging what the ICT chamber, the private sector is doing within what the K-Lab, just providing a space where people can innovate. Because I've been at the K-Lab and the work that is happening there is very, very impressive. I see a great future. We know the world has always been changed because of innovation. And people keep talking of digital disruption. This is where we are going on. So I think I really applaud the government for creating such space